Hey golfers, entrepreneurs, Steve here, Millionaire's Apprentice. How's everyone doing today? Alrighty, I got a tip for you on your putting for today. But first, a tip from my sponsor, the Millionaire's Apprentice. It's a profit alliance. When you get done with this video, go to the link in the description. Watch the video. That's all I can tell you. It works for me, it can work for you. Anyhow, okay, so put 4 tees down, put them about 5 feet apart, line them up just right of your target, all in a line towards a hole. So you put some balls down on your first one, put some down on your second one, put some down, you know how it goes. So anyhow, consistently do this for a couple of days. You will get your speed down, and this is for fast greens or any greens really, but you'll get your speed down to where you're going to be lagging the ball right into the hole. It'll be dropping right or left or straight right down into the hole. Concentrate on your speed, and you'll do that for about a good half hour, and it helps me in my putting, because that's the worst part of my game is I can't make enough putts because I hit the ball good. So anyhow, try that putting lesson. It really helps. I did get that from a good friend of mine who was a pro at 16 years old, and he happened to lose his arm in a car accident from a drunk driver, but he still knows the game of golf. So that's where I get my tips from, guys. Pro at 16 years old. He's now, 58. But anyhow, try it. You'll love it, and you'll enjoy the results. Anyhow, birdies and pars. Cheers.